Hello friends, this video is on how to find the dealer's cost of a vehicle and then compare it to the sticker price. So on the right hand side I have the notes as they appear in Canvas. That's about page 12 of your notes, Priority Standard number 6, Transportation. And then I have the two problems we're going to do. The first one is explaining how it works, and the second one shows you what it's going to look like in Canvas. So the very first thing we want to find is the sticker price. And if we pay attention to the notes, we notice in the notes that the sticker price is going to be the base price and the options and the destination. And those three numbers are going to get added together and they are going to equal your sticker price. Okay? So all we're doing is adding base to options to destination. So when we come over here, all we were doing is taking the base number, which is $29,389, and we are adding to the options number, which is $4,746, and we are adding to the destination, which is $1,345. And if we add all of those together, I think we get, that is not right at all. Let's see, what do we get? Is it right? Let's see. Let me add it on the, let's see, 9 plus 6, that's 20. 10, 8, oh, 10, 18, that's only a 1. So that's a 4. I think we have a 4 there. And then that would be adding 1, right? 10, 14, adding 1. So that would be a 5 there. So I had those numbers backwards. I think that's a 5. Okay, I think that's a 5. I guess I should add it up and see if that is true. Do it on the calculator. 29389, 4746, 1350, 35480. Yes, that is correct. So 35480. So over here in a sticker price, we are going to put $35,480.00. So that is what they would like you, the consumer, to purchase the car at that price. Okay? But you don't want to do that. You don't want to pay $35,000 for a car if you don't have to. So then we're going to find out what the dealer paid. And we're going to find out what the dealer paid, which is going to be this middle portion right here, to find the dealer's costs. And the first thing we're going to do to find what the dealer paid is we are going to take these two numbers and multiply them together. So in our problem, whoops, we're doing this one. Sorry, my bad. In our problem, that is these two numbers multiplied together. So we are going to take $29,389, and we're going to multiply it by 91%, and you have to use the percent sign. So you're going to type in $29,389 times 91%. And when you do that, we are going to get $26,743 $26,743.99. So the dealer is going to pay not $29,000. He's going to pay $26,743.99. That's what the dealer paid. So if this is a Ford Mustang, that's what, let's say, Shawnee Ford paid the Ford Motor Company for the Mustang, for the base price of the Mustang. Okay? Then we are going to take the numbers and the options, these two numbers right here, and we're going to multiply them together. So we are going to take $4,746 and we're going to multiply it by 89%, and you have to use the percent sign, absolutely. Use the percent sign. And when you do that, 47,406 times 89%, you get $4,223.94. So right here, the options are $4,223.94. Then, according to the notes, we are going to take all four of these answers and add them together. So we are going to take, according to the notes, we are going to take the dealer's cost for the base. So the $26,743.99, and that was the dealer's base. We're going to add that to $4,223.94. That is the dealer's options. And we're going to add that. We're going to add that to $775.00. That zero looked like a 6. And we're going to add that to $1,345. We're going to add those together. So all of those get added together. So that's a 3, that's a 9, 7, 14, 18, 8, 10, 20, 3, 3. And we get, if we did that right, $33,087.93. And I should probably do that on the calculator just to make sure I am correct. Not that one. That one. 3308793. I am correct. Yes, that answer. Okay. So here's the deal. The dealer paid $33,000 for the car. They would like you to pay $35,000 for the car. So they have marked the car up so they can make a profit. And now the question is, how much of a profit? So if we go back over here in the notes, we find when we talk about the profit, when we talk about the upcharge, when we talk about the markup, gosh darn it, I wish my stuff would cooperate with me. When we go to do this, all right, that's what we're looking for. We're going to take the sticker, what they want you to pay, minus what they paid. So we are going to take the sticker price, which was, $35,480, and we are going to subtract what they paid, which was $33,087.93. And we are going to subtract, we're going to minus those numbers. So that's a 7, that's a 0, that's a 9, take away 7 is 2, that's a 0, that's a 4, that's a 2, and that 0 looks like a 6 again because you're sloppy. So their profit is $2,402.07. So they are hoping to make off of you. They are hoping if you buy the if you buy the car at the sticker price, they are hoping to make $2,402.07. That's what they're hoping. When you go to negotiate, you want your negotiation to begin slightly higher than this number. Okay? Slightly higher than that number. So perhaps, and people will argue, perhaps you could offer them $33,500. If you offered them that, it's more than they paid, so they will make a profit, but it's far less than what they want you to pay. So you're probably going to offer them $33,500 and then expect that their negotiation tactic is going to go up from there. Okay? So probably $33,500 and then up from there. Okay, so that's the idea. So now, what's this going to look like in Canvas? So, again, we're going to reference the notes, going back to the sticker price. The sticker price is adding, okay? The sticker price is adding this number, and this number. So that is the sticker price. So the sticker price is taking $33,500, which is the cost of the Chevy Volt, $2,177, which is the cost of all the fun, exciting features, and $750 is how much it costs to transport the Chevy Volt from wherever they build the Chevy Volt to the Chevrolet dealer in Shawnee, Kansas. So 7, 2, 6, 7, 4, 6, 3. So if I added correctly, I get $36,427. So this would be $36,427. But you can't write that in Canvas, but what you can do in Canvas is you can write it here. So go a little bolder so it'll cover that up. $36,427. $427.00. And that should be a dollar sign. Okay. Then, what you're going to do next is you're going to take these two numbers right here and you're going to multiply them. So you're going to go times. So we're going to multiply those. So we're going to take on our calculator $33,500 times 85%. And when you do that, you get $28,475.00. Then we're going to take these two numbers and we're going to multiply them together. So we are going to take 2177 times 0.88, or I'm sorry, 88%, my bad. And when you do that, we are going to get $1,915.76. Then all you're going to do is take this number right here and put it there. So 675. $675.00. Then you're going to take this number and put it right there. So 750. Then you're going to take all four of these numbers right here, these four numbers, and you're going to add them together. So we are going to take $28,475 plus 1915.76 plus 675 plus 750. We add them all together. This is 76 cents. 5, 5, and 5 is 15. 8, 9, 16, 21. 13, 14, 15, 21, 28. 2, 10, 11. So we find out that the dealer paid $31,815.76. 31,815.76. 31,815.76. 31,815.76. Then we are going to take this number right here, the sticker, and this number right here, the dealer's cost, and we are going to subtract them. So we are going to take 36,427, and we are going to subtract $31,815.76, and we are going to subtract them, and that is going to get us 24 cents. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 14 minus 8 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. So their profit would be $4,611.24. Their profit would be $46,1124. Their profit would be $46,1124. That would be their profit. What should you offer them? You should offer them something slightly higher than this number. So probably $32,000. My guess is one of the pull-up menus here, just guessing, one of the pull-up menus would be $32,000 and expect to go up. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like in Canvas. This is what an explanation of it is, and it is these notes right here. All right, my friends, there you go. You got this. Let me know if you have any questions.